So apparently we are now back again into another island resort here located in Ra Atoll. It's called Raya by Atmosphere. So it's under the Oblu Ozen Atmosphere Collection, Atmosphere Group, yes. So they have invited us for a DMC event. So this is another property recently opened last year that is also a family-friendly resort. So we are here to experience the island under the new management. It was actually previously called Amari Raya. So now Atmosphere Group has acquired it, which is now under the Atmosphere Collection. So anyway, we are now going to stay for the weekend in a beach pool villa room category. So I'll show you around. So let's start with the exterior of the villa. So this is a standalone villa. By the way, Raya by Atmosphere is actually accessible by Seaplane Transfer Resort. It's a 45-minute flight from Villana International Airport to Ra Atoll. So here we have direct access to the beach. So for now the weather is really good, sunshine is out. So each villa has their own sunbeds and shade or cabana. So direct access to the beach. Beach area is very wide, which is good. So now we're going back. I'll walk backwards to the villa so you will see from my side. They do have, the villa has a plunge pool, which you can see from here, and another separate day bed right in front of the villa. And then they have a sitting lounge also, as well as like chairs. So this is the plunge pool. And now going inside to the room. So they provide welcome amenities. So the concept here, as we all know in the Atmosphere Collection, is an all-inclusive resort. So here we call it Raya Plan. So Raya Plan, that includes the minibar, as well as like dine around, food and beverage. It's all-inclusive basically. So fruit platter, chocolates as well, box of chocolates. So thank you, Auntie, for letting me stay here again. So king size bed, and then sofa bed, of course. So this room category can accommodate 2 + 2 or 3 adults. So a separate bed would be provided. So walking here towards the main door entrance. So behind me is now their closet space. So closet space, they provide, okay, bathrobes, beach bag, ironing board, safety deposit box, hair dryer, and something for the mosquitoes, mosquito repellents, sprays and all. So mini bar is here on this side. So they provide coffee and tea. So coffee and tea machine capsules are also here, and then some nuts. On the mini bar area, let's see what they have. Okay, so they have some Sauvignon Blanc and Merlot juices, some cerveza, beer, and fizzies. Excellent. And then, all right, going towards the bathroom area. So they provide also the toiletries. So toiletries, lotion, toothbrush, anything that we all need. Sink, shower area. So shower area and the water closet. Yep, so the itinerary for today's event is lunch, and then we'll do some painting workshop in the art gallery, and then dinner afterwards. So we'll give you more details soon. All right, ciao, grazie mille, muchas gracias.